I'm Ashraf Javed Malik here. Our topic is wildlife ecology. Wildlife ecology began as applied science discipline during the 1920 to 1930 at the University of Wisconsin-Madison with the development of an academic program by Aldo Leopold. Wildlife ecology is the science behind the practice of wildlife management that seeks to manage wildlife populations for the benefit of humans. Although people enjoy viewing wildlife and hunting animals for food and fur, conflicts arise because wildlife animals kill livestock, cause vehicle collisions, and damage crops. Wildlife ecology has become progressively more quantitative, especially since the 1990s. Even so, it still retains a strong orientation toward techniques with an emphasis on statistical methods rather than ecological principles. In the early 1980s, the discipline of conservation biology emerged manually because wildlife ecology was slow to embrace modern ecological theory and broader concerns for the preservation of biodiversity. It focused largely on the applied ecology and management of wild populations of birds and mammals. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.